Hello students, I hope everyone is preparing well for the upcoming exams. The main object of this video is to revise section numbers of each and every chapter of company law. You can see at CA inter level we are having 11 chapters of Companies Act. Approximately 9 to 10 questions come in examination. And if you look at suggested answers, the provision starts with section number. So if you quote correct section number, it creates good impression and you'll get better marks. And remembering section numbers with the DVS is not difficult. You feel comfortable in remembering section numbers. Just listen to the next 5 to 10 minutes. You feel comfortable in remembering section numbers of incorporation of company. Chalo. Chapter 2, Incorporation of Company. In this chapter, we are having 20 sections. Section 3 to section 22. Just follow the story which I narrate. If you remember this story, incidentally you will remember all the sections and you feel comfortable in revising the content of each and every section. Trust me. So first of all, a person should have an idea about formation of company. Idea about formation of company. And for formation of company, two documents are very important. Can you guess what are those two documents? MOA, AOA. And MOA, AOA shall be prepared in accordance with the Companies Act. Companies Act. Once documents are ready, then proceed with incorporation of company. In addition to incorporation, if you obtain license from central government, then your company is known as charitable company or company with charitable objects. Company with charitable objects. Once incorporation is over, then we have to discuss what are the effects of incorporation. Effects of incorporation and what are the binding effects of MOA, AOA. Effect of incorporation, effects of MOA and AOA. So let's map section numbers first. Idea about formation of company. Formation of company section 3. MOA section 4. AOA section 5. Both MOA AOA shall be prepared in accordance with Companies Act. That means Companies Act overrides MOA AOA section 6. Then proceed with incorporation section 7. Company with charitable objects section 8. Popularly known as section 8 companies. Once incorporation is over, what are the effects of incorporation? Section 9. Binding effects of MOA AOA section 10. So company is bound to the members. Members are bound to the company. That's it. Next. Once company is ready, then proceed with commencement of business. Proceed with business operations. So nothing but commencement of business. But before commencement of business, every company should have premises, business premises, that is registered office. Registered office. At the entrance of registered office, you can see name board, correct? Which contains name of the company. And this name may be changed because of two reasons. One is voluntarily company may change name, and second one is compulsory change of name. Whatever the reason is, voluntary or compulsory, in both the cases, company has to alter MOA, company has to alter AOA. Why? In MOA, what is the first clause? Name clause. When you are changing the name clause, you need to alter MOA. Similarly, in AOA also you will find name of the company. So you need to alter AOA. Once you alter MOA, AOA, that alteration shall be noted in the respective documents. So this particular clause got altered. It should be noted. Now let me map section numbers. Up to section 10 we completed. So our next section is 11, but section 11 is omitted. We are having section 10A. Registered office 12. Alter MOA section 13, alter AOA section 14, alteration to be noted section 15, and compulsory change of name, that is rectification of name, section 16. Very easy to remember. Alter MOA, section 13, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. What is 4? What is 4? MOA. Section 4 is original MOA. Next one, alter AOA section 14, 1 plus 4, that is 5. What is section 5? Original AOA. Getting my point, everyone? So up to 16 sections completed. Next one is, you can see MOA, AOA, altered MOA, altered AOA. All these are company documents, correct? Yes, sir. So company documents. If any member want these documents, he can request those documents. Member can request for company documents. Request for documents, and it is the duty of company to serve those documents. Service of documents. Which documents? Company documents. Again, company is of two branches. One is conversion of company. Conversion of company, public to private, private to public. Second one is subsidiary. Sir, what is the subsidiary, sir? Subsidiary company not to hold shares in holding company. Not to hold shares in holding company. And yes, any member can request for documents, and it is the duty of company to serve those documents. Sir, which kind of documents, sir? Signed documents or unsigned documents, sir? Obviously signed documents, authenticated documents. Authentication. And here again you'll find two branches. One is authentication of documents, proceedings, deeds. And second one is authentication of negotiable instruments. Simply execution of bills of exchange. Execution of bills of exchange. And let me map section numbers. Request for documents, section 17. Service of documents, section 20. Authentication of documents, 21. Execution of bills of exchange, that is authentication of negotiable instruments, 22. Company, two branches I told you. Conversion of company, section 18. Subsidiary company not to hold shares in holding company, section 19. That's it. Section 3 to section 22 completed. I took approximately 6 minutes time to narrate this story. So one more time, we'll revise that story. One more time I'll tell the story. Incidentally, you'll remember section numbers. 20 sections in your hands, ma. First of all, formation of company, section 3. Correct? For formation of company, one has to prepare two documents, MOA, AOA. That MOA, AOA shall be in accordance with Companies Act. That MOA, AOA shall be in accordance with Companies Act. Once documents are ready, then proceed with incorporation. Correct? So, along with incorporation, if you are able to get license from central government, then your company is known as company with charitable objects or charitable company. Once incorporation is over, what is the effect of incorporation and what are the effects of MOA, AOA? So section 3 to section 10, one branch completed. Next one, once incorporation is over, then commence business, start business. Where? At registered office. At the entrance of registered office, you will find name board. In that name board, you will find name. That name may be changed voluntarily or compulsorily. So whatever the reason, company has to alter MOA, company has to alter AOA, and that alteration shall be noted. And here you can observe MOA, AOA are the company documents. So any member can request for company documents, and it is the duty of company to serve those documents. Clear? Companies of two branches. Company, conversion of companies, one branch. Subsidiary companies, another branch. Conversion of companies, you can see section 18. Subsidiary not to hold shares in holding company, section 19. Clear? Service of documents. Which documents? Authenticated documents are unsigned documents. Authenticated documents. So authentication of documents, 21. Execution of bills of exchange, section 22. Come on, tell me what is section 3? Formation of company. 4. MOA. 5. AOA. 6. Act overrides MOA, AOA. 7. Incorporation. 8. Section 8 company. 9. Effect of incorporation. 10. Effects of MOA, AOA. 10A. Commencement of business. 12. Registered office. 13. Alteration of MOA. 14. Alteration of AOA. 15. Alteration to be noted. 16. Rectification of name or compulsory change of name. 17. Request for documents. 18. Conversion of companies. 19. Subsidiary not to hold shares in holding. 20. Service of documents. 21. Authentication of documents. 22. Execution of bills of exchange. So just comment below how you felt with this revision. And for more videos, subscribe my channel and like the video.